ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka arpu pratarik ujeliu arajar arpusau. Ulalum ya ke jingyalang perkat kam bat ketanat pulit haka ba ula betharu ya ke Director General of Police Kejela ka kong Ida Shisha Nongrang bahkan kanglat ya ke jingsam Siti Dawa Pisa da ka sengking atiar Pyntriem National Liberation Council ka belasyak hen bean syakin nongsong shnong jong Kejela Meghalaya. Konrad Sangmau la ongru bagi beliau ki badon ketiban sam ya ki Siti Dawa Pisa haka kerteng jong ka Hnlc ki deitang ki Riewshimet ki ba ka Hnlc hi ka Siew ya ki da ka Pisa bakin le ya ki Pyntriem. Shushu la ong bag sarkar kam shim la shim sting satya ya ki kambean jong ka seng Hnlc. Bat ka tanat sentiat jong ki pulit kala bot dien bha ya ki no ki kambean khanang banyo kem ya ki badon keti ha ki kam runar ruser.
Sounds like a very, very strong word. It's just another very technically high word for somebody who's not active and just, but then were picked up and were then asked to be active again. So it's not really that, they are high-fi sleeper cell. But there are some individuals who sometimes are, in terms of, say, money, are given money, they're asked to do certain activities. And then we term them as sleeper cells. So I would refrain from using those words, but they are individuals who are in one way or the other related, connected with different organizations. But as I said, we are improving our overall cyber, cell, and we're ensuring that we invest in that a lot. And therefore, we're keeping close watch on everything, and that's the reason why we've been able to nab these certain individuals that are there. But yes, we will not be taking it easy. We are not going to take it lightly. Every single issue, threat is treated very, very seriously by us, and we will examine this and will ensure that we take every step to ensure that this does not pose a very, very serious problem. But as I said, that these are individuals at different levels who are used by different leaders and organizations of Hnlc and other, mainly of Hnlc, who then carry out different activities through them. So we're keeping a watch on that, and we will not take it lightly. The activities means basically sending a WhatsApp message. So I don't know how will you define the sending of WhatsApp messages as an activity. It's very easy in these days to send WhatsApp messages. You simply have to download a VPN, application like Atlas or something, and you can mask it. But then we are working towards finding out ways to nab that also, and how we can overcome that. And we are we're only working with different police organizations. I don't want to talk too much about it, but because of that only, we are now succeeding in really getting more intel and picking up certain people, and this will continue. We have taken in fact note of this today in the meeting, and I've asked the DG and others to improve and invest in this aspect so that we are able to stop this kind of extortion notes coming in randomly to the citizens of our state.